When I was on the council, we got to the actual approval finally for an overcrossing. And my colleague at the time was a Green. And at the very last hearing, she said to everybody, she said, the poor frogs, they're not going to, when this thing is built, they're going to be hurt. And that's how she was. She was a very sweet person. And she said, we should build a tunnel for the frogs. So I was mayor. I remember thinking, it's 10:30 at night. I wish she had told me this before. It was like a real curveball. And this overcrossing that hadn't been built for 20 years or whatever it was. So I looked at the staff and I said, what would it cost to build a tunnel? And the staffer looked at me and he said, well, if we put a culvert under the road, it would cost about $9,000. This was an $18 million project. I said, I looked at my colleagues and everybody's going like this, their heads going. And I said, we're going to do it. We're going to do it. So we did it. And that became known as the Toad Tunnel. I don't know if you've heard of the Toad Tunnel, but that became a symbol of the city of Davis because not a single toad ever went in it. Never, never, because it bore no relationship to science or reality. But it tells you something about me. I don't care if the science was against it. It was a $9,000 effort to get an $18 million project built. And if it made her happy and it avoided CEQA lawsuits, which it did, and avoided anything else, another referendum, whatever, let's do it. And we did it. And the Cal Aggie band and I marched across the overcrossing about a year and a half later. So talk about, I love the city. It's a tough gig, but I love it. And I love the people in it. And I love the challenges in it. And I'm a problem solver. So that's what I do.